It's Lisa Marie with the Temple of Mu. This is a tapping to eliminate the betrayal that we're all feeling right now, and we are going to do this breathing through. If you want to get a candle and get something set up beforehand, you can do that. Get a glass of water that you can actually drink, and then take the rest of it and bless the earth with it right now, because she's going through a type of betrayal with everybody, dismissing a lot of different things. So let's do this karate chop on the side of the hand. This is actually your heart meridian. Even though I've been carrying this betrayal for a long time, even though it made me question my worth and my safety, I am choosing to release this pain now and opening the gates of receiving again. Eyebrow. I felt like the rug was pulled out from underneath me. Side of the eye. I'm losing my footing and trust maybe some of my own sparkle. It's okay to admit that it actually shattered me. My prosperity had felt like it's been blocked ever since that day. Because I can receive, how can I receive when I don't feel safe? My body has been protecting me. And now I am ready to soften just a little. It is safe for me to receive again. I call back my own soul fragments from this moment. I'm reclaiming every part of me that had been shut down or left behind. I'm opening my heart just enough for the divine to enter. I deserve to be supported. I deserve to be abundant. And I deserve joy. I was never the one who broke the vow, but I did get to be the one who gets to restore my light. My energy field is clearing now. My prosperity codes are back online. I am safe. I am sacred. I am ready to receive with ease. Money and love and support flows to me easily now. The pain is no longer defining me. My story is no longer limiting me. I am the gatekeeper of my prosperity codes, and they're fully restored. Take a deep breath in. It's safe to receive again. You can drink your glass. I didn't bring mine in here. And if you drink, breathe deeply. Let that golden light return to your energy field, especially the solar plexus and the sacral chakra. I am whole. I am healed, and I receive with joy. All right, guys. Thanks for participating. As we start to relieve ourselves and our body of these emotional ties and stuff, we'll start to be able to receive more energy and things, because betrayal has a tendency to be within our bloodlines of families and stuff. So my dad did this to my mom when I was in the womb, and more than likely we have it somewhere in our background story, somewhere where our families have been betrayed, and we feel like we've been, you know, um, you know, following some weird footstep with this whole thing. But as I was listening to a beautiful person, another beautiful soul, she was saying, we don't have to let this shit go here in America. It's sort of taught that we still hang on to these things. So shift it for yourself, shift it you know, for you. Just shift it so that you can let this stuff go and move forward. All right, guys. Oops, excuse me. Sneezing it is. So, again, my name is Lisa Marie with the Temple of Mu, and looking forward to continuing this pattern of love and transformation. All right, guys, have a blessed rest of your day.